Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Journey guys. Myself Bunny, and guys, you know what? As I promised, today I will tell you about one of my habit that I usually adopt during winters. Okay, guys, today in this video I will tell you about my before going to bed routine, what I consumed during winters when I go to bed. So guys, today I have got something to show you. I got this. Do you know what this is?
ये तो चरस है।
ये देखो, चरसी लोगों को हर जगह नशा दिखाई देता है. Well, jokes apart, guys, this is mineral pitch. Do you know what mineral pitch is? Well, I can be sure that too many of you guys haven't heard about of this name, but if I will tell you about its Ayurvedic name, then too many of you guys can relate, or too many of you guys must be using this product at your home. This is Shilajit. Shilajit is a sticky substance that accumulates on the Himalayas, on the rocks of Himalayas. Well guys, it takes centuries to to accumulate on those mountains. It gets deposited over there from the rotten plants or the decomposed plants. So this is actually known as the sweat of a rock. So this is what actually Shilajit is. And talking about the benefits of Shilajit, then guys, let me tell you that this is the best rejuvenator, or what we can say is Shilajit is it is used to increase the stamina, and side by side it also used to promote the human health. Okay, well guys, now let me show you how to use this. For this, all you need is a jar of milk. I have got this over here with me, and I have got little bit of Shilajit in a big spoon. Well, I'm not going to consume all of this. We'll take around a grain of quantity, something equal to the grain of rice, and we'll dissolve it in milk, and thereafter I will consume it. Okay, let's do it. First of all, let me tell you what is the quality of the actual Shilajit. Okay, guys, as I had already told you that, see, this is very sticky. This is what actually the Shilajit is. Now what you have to do, first of all, try to take a pinch of it, and guys, whenever you will you will take the Shilajit from the spoon, it will come out like a wire. Let me show you. I hope so that you can see the elasticity in this. This is a long wire, and this is what the actual quality of the Shilajit, the original Shilajit is. Okay, now I'm going to dissolve it in milk. Make sure that the milk, it should be hot. Okay, now it will take some time, no issues. We'll give that time to it. Okay guys, before I go ahead, let me tell you some of the demerits or the side effects of Shilajit. Guys, trust me, prolonged or excessive use of Shilajit, it might cause several allergic reactions, and it can also result to dizziness, increased heart rate, dizziness, and nausea. Also, taking high doses of Shilajit can also increase the level of uric acid in your body, which can prove fatal. Alright, now guys, you will observe that your milk, it will change its color from white to somewhat around, it will become the brownish in color. Okay, now guys, make sure that it has been dissolved completely. Mine is not dissolved yet. All right, it is still there. Okay, well guys, I forgot to show you something I had planned to show in the very beginning of the video, but doesn't matter. It's never too late. This video is about Shilajit, so I printed this name for you guys, so that you can relate. मतलब कुछ चरसी लोगों की तरह ये आपको नशा या भांग की गोली ना दिखाई दे. This is pure Shilajit, pure mineral pitch that you can use to to build the good stamina in your health. Okay, now guys, some people might also think that can women also use this product? Then yes, let me tell you guys that women can use this Shilajit to lose the extra body weight, to lose the extra fat. Actually, the Shilajit, what it do is in the body of women, it increases the metabolism of their body and burn the extra fat. Okay, now I believe that it's done. It is red. That's it. Now I'm going to put this brownish milk in the white one, and that's it. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to consume it completely. Okay, guys, this is what my routine is all about. Whenever winters are there, I consume this product before going to bed. So this is the kind of a healthy habit in my life. It totally depends on you whether you want to use it or not. Well, I told you about this habit just to because too many people in this world, they think that Shilajit is only used to improve the health of your sex drive. Well, that is not true. Shilajit is also used to take off the weakness out of your body and to build the actual strength. Like if you are an athlete, or if you are a bodybuilder, or any if you want to increase the if you want to if you want to run longer, like if you are really an athlete and you want to run for longer, you can use this product in spite of going for steroids or something like that. This is an Ayurvedic health supplement. This is one of the best supplement that you can use in spite of going for those harmful substances. Okay, now all you have to do is just take the sip of this hot milk. Alright guys, we'll meet in the next video. Well, something new, something exciting, and something special. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you, and have a ball.